All right, guys, so we got the graph from the classroom, and Anime is going to help us finish our unit rate section with our graph. So first she's going to label the origin, which we have labeled, and then our x-axis is going to be hours, and then our y-axis is going to be miles walked. Okay, so if we look at our table, we don't know how many hours, after 1 hour, how many miles were walked, but we do know after 2 hours, how many miles were walked.
1.
Okay, and after 4 hours, how many miles were walked?
2.
Okay, and then after 6 hours, how many were walked?
3.
3. All right, so she's going to grab her tape and she's going to go ahead and put that up there and show us our linear equation. And remember, our linear equation is a straight line, which means it has a constant rate of change. And this particular one is proportional, which means it's actually going to go through your origin too, which makes it a direct variation equation as well. So if it's a direct variation and linear, it is proportional. Okay, so think about this. It has a constant rate of change. So after 1 hour, how many miles were walked?
5/10.
5/10. Okay, so if after 1 hour it's 5/10 of a mile, think about that. That's your unit rate. That's just like what we did on the table earlier. Okay, but remember, your unit rate is your constant of variation, which is your k in a direct variation equation. So in this situation, our k is going to be 5/10. And so since we know what our k is, we know what our equation is going to be. And our equation is going to be y equals 5/10 x. And remember, if you have your calculator, you have your Desmos on your computer, you can actually put this in the y equals, after you push the y equals button, put 5/10 x, and it'll show you your table, and it will show you your graph. All right, guys, can't wait to see you in school.